So surprise, surprise, guess where I am?
Connected.
I'm actually surprisingly not tired, so I'm just going to keep on trucking as long as I can, and I'll probably sleep in the back seat of the truck tonight. This is the part where I tell you about the motorcycle trip I took. BWOM10 stands for By Way of Motorcycle. It was all started by Bilma, a YouTuber, and if you want to see the details of it, I did post a trip on my channel. If you look in my playlist section, you'll find it down there.
We got booze.
Yeah, that thing's huge, man. Like, look at this nonsense.
I ordered myself a double-double. And she says, okay, so 6 milk, 6 sugar? No.
Does he fit the ground? Oh my god, the funny thing is he does.
Yeah.
How you liking this weather?
I mean, it's fine to me. I'm tired. What are we at? 50?
It's good. It's a nice ride, man. It's beautiful down here.
Pace is okay. It's good fun.
Purple cow. Yeah, it's utterly delicious. It's quite the ride so far. What's up, Trace?
Hey Rex, how you doing?
Not too bad. How about you, man?
Not bad, not bad.
So, what's the deal for the weekend?
We are at Two Wheel Inn outside of Robbinsville, North Carolina.
Yeah.
And we're going to go ride the dragon this weekend.
Holy motherfucker!
That was loud.
Get out.
How'd you have it on the bike? Why would you? Then they didn't tether it? You didn't tether it off? Why not?
Guess what? You know what I found on the road? A GoPro. Yeah, we stopped.
You trusted your suction cup. You did break that though.
I had to go out and frickin' dodge people to get the fucker.
I'm aiming up. Put the knee down.
Yeah.
It'll be like no lean, just a knee sticking out. I put the knee out, boys. Have anybody put the knee out before?
There it is.
Yeah,
Look
it
it.
is. Yeah, exactly.
Both sides.
Yeah, the knee's out. Oh, put the knee out.
How Super Del Sol sees himself.
Yeah.
How Super Del Sol really is.
Yep. That's a tree of shame, all right.
Guess what, Rex?
What? Oh yeah, do it. Again.
I just had to. Fuck, that sounds amazing.
Unfortunately, when we do it, it just sounds like a fart. Just waiting for my food to be made, so I'll check back in shortly. When I check back in, I don't know where I'll be. So we'll see you in a bit. I made it to White River. I have no cell service here at all, so I can't look up and see how far I've actually traveled today. So, I don't know. It's a good ways anyway. It's pretty close to Thunder Bay, I think. A couple 100 kilometers maybe. But, still a good ways to Winnipeg, so we'll try again tomorrow. As of now, I'm just going to clear out a little bit of room in the back seat here, and I'm going to crash out for the night. Hey guys, what's happening? 7:30 in the morning. I slept in a little bit. Turns out the back seat of this truck is not as comfortable as my Sunfire's back seat when I went to Texas a couple years ago. But I still slept in, and well, whatever. According to my GPS, I will be getting to Winnipeg around 6 p.m. Geez, just a little foggy this morning. Holy crap. We crawl up farther up into the hills here, and this is what I get to look at. Well, I'm about 50 kilometers away from Thunder Bay. Speaking of Thunder Bay, this is the second time I've been there. The first time I was there was a couple months ago when I went and picked up my Harley. Yeah, I got Harley, guys. I gave in and still don't know if my mind's really made up on the Harley thing, you know. They're not as fancy or as special as everyone makes them out to be. Here's the bike.
There you go. There's the Harley. What do you think? Not bad looking, right, eh? Freaking sexy machine here. Got the old man backrest on her. Alright. Not bad. I've been so busy lately. I haven't touched this thing in, God, it's been a month. I need feel. The vibrations on that pig, eh? This thing here has got to come off. That's noisy as shit. Bugs the hell out of me too. So useless. So yeah, I have been crazy busy. Crazy busy with getting wood ready for winter. Yeah, after doing Deals Gap, I don't know, I was down there, I saw so many friggin' Harleys. I got the bug again for another friggin' Harley, so I came home, I parked my bike, and I bought a Harley. So the Versus, she is, or Verses, I guess you want to say it correctly, she is parked in the tarp shed at the house. But as for the specs for this bike here, she's a 1999 Harley Davidson Dyna 1450 V twin. She's rocking the 5-speed, but I don't need any more of those fancy 6-speeds. This one works okay. She got a crap load of accessories all over it. Too many to really mention. I mean, like, is any of this really stock? No. This is, it's pretty heavily modified. So much aftermarket on this thing, it's crazy. But, you know, typical Harley fashion, I got a sissy bar on the back here. The friggin' thing started to rattle loose. I lost all, there's 4 bolts holding it on. I lost 3 of them. I made it home with 1. What was the other thing? Oh yeah, my shifter. It's coming home from work about a month ago, and I'm just about ready to turn into my road, and I can't shift. Like, what the hell? I lost the little nub there, the little foot peg. It vibrated off. I tell you, man, these things, I don't know. It's all in the name, I guess, and I don't really trust this thing yet because it is a Harley. I know you're going to get your Harley guys, they're like, oh, what the hell are you talking about, blah, 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 you know. Come on, realistically, guys, you guys gotta know these things, man. Like, I'm used to Japanese bikes. Always had Japanese bikes. I built a Harley once, but I mean, that's about it, man. And, I don't know if I trust this thing yet. Like, I mean, I've had it out on little road trips and whatnot. I took it out on a day trip, like from early in the morning till late at night, like non-stop riding. She made it, you know, it was cool. She made it, I was happy. But I'm not too sure if I really trust these things yet. The one thing I did do when I bought it, I switched out the seat. It had the, what was the seat? It was a Corbin seat? Yeah, it had a Corbin seat, just a little tiny narrow seat. Wasn't really that comfortable. And my passenger, oh, the girlfriend did not like it at all. We did, I don't know, we did a run maybe an hour away from here kind of thing. And by the time we got back, she was sore. She was crying, man. Seriously, the seat is about that narrow. So, I mean, it's not really that comfortable of a seat. Driver's seat really wasn't that comfortable either, but I made do, I guess. But Anyway, so I switched that out. I got myself a Mustang seat because it came with it's a used seat. I'm not picky. It was maybe 2 inches wider than the seat I had. It's got the backrest built into it, which is kind of nice. All I need now is just my old man windshield, and I'm ready to rock. I've been so damn busy with work, preparation at home, you know, like cutting logs, pulling logs, and cutting them, and just doing everything, and there's just so much stuff. I have had a busy friggin' summer. I've got my 3-wheeler. I only had it out once. I haven't even taken it out yet with the new wheels and tires on it yet. Haven't seen how they work in the off-road yet. I've just been so damn busy. Actually, one good thing. Stay tuned, guys. It should be coming up hopefully shortly. I'm going to be heading down south again. We're going to be working with CF Moto and Park-to-Park trail system. We're going down. We're going to be doing some photo shoots, and I'm going to get in there. I'm going to make some videos and whatnot. The good thing about it is these guys understand. See, here's my problem. Anytime I go wheeling or whatever, I'm the only guy that does the video, so no one wants to stop. Everyone wants to keep go, 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 go. Well, if you want to get a good video, you got to constantly stop. And it makes it hard to get good video. But these guys here, they understand, and they want to make some stops and do some shoots and photo shoots and all that kind of stuff too. So this is perfect opportunity for me to go down, ride some side-by-sides and other park-to-park stuff with CF Moto, and it's gonna be a hoot. Maybe I'll introduce you to some special people. I don't know. So stay tuned for that, guys. Coming up soon. The last time I was down here, I was on the Versus. I think the lake has the ice had just melted off the lake, and there was no leaves. And we've had a nice green summer all year. I've had a chance to look at all the beautiful greenery here, and now it's going yellow again. And I'm finally coming back this way with a video. Man, I have had a slacked YouTube year, let me tell you. Holy crap. Yeah, I gotta get back to this. I gotta get back to doing some videos, man. Gonna have a lot of time this winter. Well, I should have a lot of time. I think I got about 2 years worth of friggin' wood stored at my house already now, so I mean, I'm good for the next 2 years, I think. I got more wood than I thought I'd have. Tell you the one thing about this, it takes a little bit of getting used to. Left turn signal and the right turn signal. I always want to, you know, use my left hand to do both signals, but hardly had to be different. Oh my God, it's vibrating a lot. Oh, I'm also on holidays. I've been on holidays for half a week so far. Got another 1.5 weeks to go. Shitty part is I'm going into work today for a union meeting. And I forgot my security pass. Damn it. How many of you guys want one of those? So my BWOM 10 videos ended pretty abruptly. Well, I guess I don't even know if I mentioned it. I might have mentioned it in the description, but really, who reads it? Well, I read descriptions, but really, like most people really don't read those descriptions. But I don't even know if I can put it in the description, to be honest. But what happened is my camera and my GoPro both shit the bed. I lost almost all my footage coming home. Actually, yeah, half the footage. Yeah, the first half I got. The second half of all my footage coming home, I missed. We visited these caves, which was like awesome. We went through the Smoky Mountains, cool as hell. We did so much on the way home. We went to a gun shop, I mean, where you can like rent time, shoot machine guns, and all that kind of crap on the way back. Lost that footage as well. Struckus and I, we didn't shoot the gun, but Super Del Sol, he was all over that, and I had that on camera too, and I totally lost it. So hopefully I don't lose a lot of this footage. Hopefully you're hearing the explanation, because my footage didn't get lost. Where do I want to park? I don't want to park beside the douchebag. Doesn't know how to park. Doesn't realize he has a freaking Charger. Everyday freaking car full of rust. He thinks it's really important he's got to park on the line, the dumbass. Alrighty guys, so that is the Harley. 1999 1450 Dyna.